So I was thinking this weekend when I was thinking about the whole meme stock craze that came and it went, the pump and dump that happened over the last week, who is really going to benefit from this and how can I make money off that? That's what we should be doing as traders is saying, okay, that was crazy. I'm not going to create an ideology about being a meme stockholder or not. Where can I potentially make money and who do I think profited from that whole thing? First of all, we know that Jim Simons from Renaissance Capital and a lot of other hedge funds were involved before the pump and then got out after the pump from their filings. So good for them. I didn't. So I need to figure out what's next. So I was thinking the casino always wins. And who in this case is the casino? Who's the company you can see up on my screen that would profit from a move like this in meme stocks? Well, most of the people who are going to be trading these meme stocks are probably going to be Robinhood traders, which makes me want to go to their chart here and take a little look around. So let's do that. So first of all, while we're on a monthly chart, I want to look at things like earnings per share. That's positive. That's great. A little bit of a short float, nothing wild. They have a whole lot of cash as well. So a couple things here saying, okay, they're probably not going to pull a GameStop or an AMC on me, where if the company moves higher, they have to sell shares. So great, all of a sudden, right away. Then I anchor this VWAP to the IPO. If you don't know why, you should really check out Brian Shannon's work, Anchored VWAP, Maximum Trading Gains with Anchored VWAP. So very, very good book. And he talks a lot about using these IPO anchored VWAPs as sentiment indicators. If you're above it, it means the average market participant in Hood now, who's a long only investor, is making money. And when you're below it, the average person is losing money. And this is a monthly chart. So you can see 1, 2, and then we're on the 20th of this one here for 3. So potentially we are, everyone is on average, people are happy. They're making money. Great. That's what we want to see. So we go into the weekly chart, and here on the weekly chart, you can see this nice rounded bottom. This is a very typical pattern. These bases, these accumulation bases on a weekly chart look amazing. I don't want to be trading when they're inside the base, but it looks like we are now outside the base, and we've been holding out there with a positive week last week, which I'm going to go into when we go to the daily chart. But one of my favorite sayings is the bigger the base, the higher in space. Looks like Hood may have broken out of a base here. Now we go into the daily chart, and you can see this nice candle that we had yesterday. So we have this, kind of cup and handle or this cup type look. Nice slow pullback from highs. Broke that. If we anchor a VWAP from these highs right here, you can see we're above all of that now as well. And then we had this nice breakout candle on very big volume down here. So 4 times normal volume on this breakout wall. If we look at a lot of the meme stocks, they were falling apart last week. So Hood is not going to be coupled to these meme stocks. They prove that. But again, I think they're going to be a beneficiary of it because everyone who takes trades pays Robinhood, right? One way or another. So now here is the inch or the more zoomed in chart. It's a 30-minute chart, but I do like to zoom this out just to give me some levels. Obviously, we have the all-time highs at 2050 here. We have 1950. This is a big level that happened right here. It was support back here, resistance here, support here, resistance here. I like the look of that. I think you could also anchor a VWAP from this major swing low. And you could see maybe it comes into that. That's like 1850 or so. Those are levels I'm going to watch going forward into this week to see if I can get a good fill on Hood that, again, hopefully will take it higher. People will start to say, oh, yes, the one who benefits from all this is the one who makes money every time somebody takes trades or markets into an option position or something like that. That's my plan here for Hood. Now, if you like these single trade breakdowns, let me know. Hit like, subscribe, follow, retweet, all those things. Something I may do more of. It's, again, none of this is investment advice. It's not telling you to take this trade. I may not even end up taking this trade, but just showing you my thought process when it comes to a swing trade. How I gather an idea, I gather a whole bunch of information, I zoom into the chart, and I take a trade. Now, of course, these are my discretionary trades. I have systematic trades that do the bulk of what I do, but I still like to take these discretionary trades small and controlled. And the reason for that is it keeps me involved in the market. If I completely leave the market and just rely on systems, I often miss the forest for the trees. So again, if you like this kind of content, let me know. I'll do more of this. Make sure you sign up for my Substack where I email people every time I do a video. Also, all of those algorithms I just talked about will be available on there soon. I'm working. I promise I'm working hard, but they'll be on there soon. And thank you guys for coming by, and have a good day.